Four people have been killed and at least 42 were injured after two commuter trains collided in Indonesia's West Java province, the authorities have said. The accident on Friday happened when a long-distance train from the country's second largest city, Surabaya, collided with a commuter train near Bandung, the provincial capital, said Adita Irawati, a spokesperson from the Transport Ministry. A total of 478 passengers are on board the trains, said Ibrahim Tompo, a spokesperson for West Java Police. Video or images from local broadcaster Metro TV and Compass TV showed passengers being helped out of train carriages, some of which had gone off the rails entirely, following the collision at 6:03 a.m. local time.